Uncovering meanings, cleaning the attic. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, cleaning the attic. This might sound like a straightforward task, but as we'll see, it can carry a deeper meaning beyond its literal sense. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love delving into idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. First, let's break down the literal meaning of cleaning the attic. An attic is a space found below the roof of a house, often used for storage. It's that area of your home where you might keep things you don't use regularly, like old books, clothes, or holiday decorations. Therefore, cleaning the attic involves organizing, decluttering, or getting rid of unwanted items in this space. It's a physical activity that can sometimes be quite demanding, given the amount of stuff attics usually accumulate over the years. Now, let's explore the figurative aspect of cleaning the attic. In a metaphorical sense, this phrase can represent the process of reflecting on one's past experiences, thoughts, or emotions. Just as an attic can be full of items collected over many years, our minds accumulate memories, feelings, and thoughts. Cleaning the attic, in this context, means to sort through these mental collectibles, addressing unresolved issues, or simply making space for new ideas and experiences. It's about self-reflection and mental decluttering, which is essential for personal growth and emotional well-being. Understanding how to use cleaning the attic in conversation depends on the context. If you're talking about the actual task, it's pretty straightforward. However, when using it metaphorically, it can add depth to a conversation about personal development or mental health. For example, you might hear someone say, "I'm taking a weekend off for some personal time, just cleaning the attic, you know?" In this case, they're likely talking about taking time to reflect and sort through their thoughts and feelings. Occasionally, cleaning the attic appears in literature and movies, often symbolizing a character's journey towards self-discovery or overcoming past traumas. It's a powerful metaphor that resonates with many people, highlighting the universal need for introspection and the clearing out of mental and emotional clutter. We hope this exploration of cleaning the attic has enlightened you, both in its literal and figurative senses. English is rich with phrases that offer deep insights into life's many aspects, and understanding them can greatly enhance your language skills and emotional intelligence. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the English language. Happy learning, and remember, sometimes cleaning out your attic, both physically and mentally, can be the fresh start you need.